Today is an exciting day. We just got a shipment from StockX. This is my first StockX purchase. I purchased Lego that I found cheaper in StockX than any other retailer, and I'm gonna flip it for a profit on Amazon FBA. So let's see what we got. So this is the box that I got. Here it is, and we're gonna open it. It's pretty big actually. Here we go. We got the Van Gogh Lego Starry Night. Oh wow, it actually looks pretty good except a little damage here. They come with a StockX sticker, which actually is a turn-off, but then you gotta take it out. Now, to be honest, I wanted to do this video to show you how great StockX is, and I think it is great to find good deals. But with this particular case, the item arrived in very bad condition, so I'm gonna have to go through the hassle of making a return on StockX. I'll show you exactly how to do that. I ask you to reach out to them within 3 days of delivery, which is a very short window. In my case, the item got here on Sunday. It's Tuesday. It's been exactly 3 days. So I'm reaching out to them in the right time. But if the 3 days go by, that's it. You can't even return it. Then you gotta send a lot of photos, including the damage to the item, the shipping box in full, and the StockX verification tag. That's the little sticker that they put in the side of the Lego, the little green sticker. You gotta show them that. And the QR code on the back side of the verification tag. So once you have all those photos, the box, the item, the damage, the tag, everything, you open a ticket with them. So I'm gonna show you how I use StockX to find deals that are below the retail price. And StockX is definitely a great site to buy from when you're doing Amazon FBA if you find the item at the right price. But I am going to tell you about the pros and the cons. Ready? What you're going to do is go to the StockX homepage, type Lego, and then go to below retail, right here, below retail. And then it will show you all the Legos order sorted out by how much they are below retail, and then you can compare that to, using your Amazon FBA calculator, you can compare to see if it's profitable or not profitable. Then you have a whole variety of different filters like release date, highest bid, lowest ask, last sale, price premium, volatility, and you can play around with all these different filters. But the one that I use the most is below retail, because basically StockX is comparing their database of products and pricing against Walmart and Target and Amazon and all the other retailers, and they have identified that their Legos are selling X amount below the other retailers, and that is a good deal for you. Now the cons is that this is not a straight out pricing. So for example, if we go to here, the Lego Technic Ferrari, we go there and we see that, okay, let's say I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy for $300. Fortunately, StockX charges you a shipping fee and a processing fee. The processing fee is their inspection fee. They claim that they inspect every item. They started doing this with sneakers, and then they moved on to Legos, or they incorporated Legos. So they have an inspection team that is in charge of inspecting that the item is authentic and it's in great condition, and then they place that authentication tag on the side of the Lego, like the one I showed you before. But they charge for that. So the item that was originally $334, now it's costing me $362. So before buying, always click that button and then make sure that that's the pricing that makes sense. Again, compare that with your Amazon calculator and make sure that it makes sense for you. But what I like to do is not buy straight off the bat, but place a bid. Similar to how eBay works, where you enter an auction and you place the bid. This allows me to go through their entire inventory and calculate it against Amazon pricing and just start placing bids on every single item that I think is a worthy sale. And then they will automatically notify you if you are about to win the bid or you won the bid, and you go in with your highest possible number. For me, it's the net 10% profit margin against Amazon, which is my magic number always. I will not accept lower than that. And if it meets the net 10% margin, I place a bid. And then I just wait, and I might have hundreds of listings where I have placed bids and I win. Maybe I win one or twice or three times a week, and then the items eventually get shipped to me. So another great thing that StockX has is that they ship via FedEx. FedEx is one of my favorite shipping carriers because I can track it. They usually don't mess up. They usually don't damage the item. And it's way more superior, in my opinion, to UPS and USPS. However, the bad thing about their process, about StockX process, is that they go through different processes where the person that sells the item needs to ship the item to StockX. Once it arrives, it goes through an inspection process and then goes to another team, and then they ship back to you. So you're dealing with a mediator here, and that's the main flaw of StockX. Other than that, they do offer some good deals that you should keep in mind, especially if you're buying either sneakers or Legos. If you want to sign up and try out StockX yourself, I have a link under this video. Also, make sure to check the other tools that I use for Amazon FBA. I can give you extended free trials and discounts with my links under the video. And as always, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I keep sending you more info. I have another one coming, another retailer that I use that is very good with discounts, and you're going to appreciate for Amazon FBA. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.